Hey, I've got a quick one for you today. I'm going to show you how to create a React app from scratch using the Create React app. I guess you could call this a package runner or a package. I guess you could call it a package runner because we're going to run this with the new npx command. Let me pull this over to the screen. So Create React app is a little bit more than a boilerplate. Basically with just this command, so you say npx create React app, and then you give it a name of your application, and you wait a little bit, and then you cd into it. It runs through a whole bunch of stuff, and then we can start the application. And so you have a full-blown React webpack configuration, development server, all kinds of good stuff, and you can just start playing away, playing with it right away, and you don't really have to do a whole lot. So let's jump into it. All right, so I'm going to do npx create React app, and I'm going to say hi, hello world, because of course you always have to use hello world. Okay, all right, so give it that, and this is basically npx is a new command that's that has become available in a newer version of npm. I think it was at version 5 or so. Let's see, what did it say? Oh yeah, 5.2. So yeah, 5.2 or higher has the npx availability. Really, this allows you to run some of these boilerplate tools, or these kind of like these tools that traditionally needed to be installed globally. So now you can run them. It's kind of like a package runner instead of just a package manager like npm is. npx is a package runner. So you can install these packages without having to dirty up your global dependencies. So it's pretty cool there. So we should be able to cd into our application, and then we'll be able to just do npm start. All right, it's running, and it's running in the browser, and that's it. There we go. Full-blown React application. Now it's very bare bones. Like I said, or I say bare bones. You've got a webpack configuration, you've got JSX, you've got some basics, but you don't have a router, you don't have things like CSS modules and those sorts of things. In fact, let's go ahead and open the code. Okay, switch that over to JSX. All right, and there it is. So let's see. Yep, our application is here. It's just one page. We've got this, this kind of fun animation going on, a little bit of boilerplate text, and then, just a link out to the React documentation. And yeah, that's essentially the exact same thing as what's here. Instead of a header element, we have our the same edit and text and all that we had on the page. Whoops. That we had here. And then the loading in, or that animated picture, is this right here, the logo. So that logo that's right there pops up right here, and that's the animated logo. Not a whole lot going on. Your CSS is over here in an app.css. Your app.js is basically your only component that you've got going. Index.js is where the app component is loaded up, and it's rendered. Let me throw this into the JSX. It's rendered with React DOM.render right here, and but yeah, there you go. And you've got some other cool stuff in here like service worker. If you want to get into some of the magic that allows this to happen, it's way down here. So I'll go into the node modules folder, and all the way down in something called React scripts. There we go. Way down here, way down here. Oh, I think I passed it up. Yes, React scripts. This is the magic that basically allows you to have all of this boilerplate set up for you inside of the Create React app build chain, I guess we could call it. This is what's handling webpack build configurations for you. This is what's handling all the nastiness that you typically have to set up manually if you were setting up React without this build chain. However, this is set up for you, and that's where the beginning, this is kind of the entry point into that. So typically I stay away from that unless I absolutely have to do it, unless I have to get in there. I just stay over here in the rest of the code. So that's it. That is getting started with Create React App. I'll definitely be creating more videos from here. If you, I hope this helped you out. I know it's not much more than the tutorials, but sometimes it's nice to just walk through it. If you like the video, please give it a like. Remember to comment and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you didn't like the video, let me know about that too. And yeah, I'll be seeing you soon and bringing you more good stuff. Thanks.